This is the wireless MX Ergo mouse from Logitech. It is supposed to deliver less muscular strain compared to a regular mouse. Let's have a closer look at the box before opening it. Now let's open the box. The mouse is for right-handed use only. Except for the trackball, it looks quite similar to a regular one, but it is working in a different way. The trackball is smooth and the ergonomic options are useful. With a magnetic plate you can tilt the mouse up at a 20-degree angle. It has a large and comfortable design. Moving the entire mouse won't move the mouse cursor. You control the computer cursor just by moving the trackball. The included battery lasts for up to 4 months on a full charge. Here you can see the hand position with the MX Ergo mouse. The wrist is straight and the hand is in a resting position. With a conventional mouse the hand is not having an ergonomic position, and you can see a small bend of the wrist. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.